Hello friends. Welcome to our Node Monitor channel. We will start from basic to IoT and cloud. If you have not subscribed our channel, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you. Let's see how to download the software for Arduino and install it. In the previous video, we have seen how to power on the Arduino board. To start programming the Arduino board, we need the IDE. IDE is Integrated Development Environment. We will go to the Arduino official website, that is arduino.cc. In the software section, the IDE is available. You can choose from the download option for your operating system. Click on Just Download button to download the software. I have Windows operating system and the installation is same as you generally install other software. We have to agree to the terms and conditions and it is installed in your system. If your system asks any driver to install, then you have to install the drivers and you are ready to go. I opened the IDE now. In the drop-down list, only 2 COM ports are shown right now for my system. But Arduino is not shown, because I have not connected the Arduino Uno USB cable to my system. Let me connect the USB cable to my system. Now I have connected the USB cable to my laptop and you can see this green LED light is glowing now. That means power is coming to Uno board. Now you can see Arduino is shown in the COM port number 5. In the next video, we'll see how to program the Arduino board. Please keep watching. If you have not subscribed our channel, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you.